Nobody is moving. It's like green for the center one, but
Run.
God, please, no! 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 No!
here peak traffic. Oh, that was a nice center. Oh, I wanted to start with a scenic location, but this is the only scenic location nearby.
What the dog doing?
Oh, that was a nice center. Oh, anyways. Oh, that was some cool skills. Body roll and this would be crazy. And look at the lock. So today morning it was completely foggy here. And now it's extremely sunny. Not extremely, but now it's sunny. You get what I'm trying to say. Whoever paints these are extremely talented.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh, B6C looks very cool. Just a minute, मम्मी का फ़ोन इम्पोर्टेंट होता है.
Run.
मेन रोड पे भाग रहे. Anyways. Okay. All of a sudden lane change करना है भाई. I cannot be this cool. Half of the road, main road is blocked by people who is gonna turn right. So once the straight wala is green, the people are still gonna be stuck. Nobody is moving. It's like green for the center one, but this uncle is zoned out. I don't know why nobody is moving. Main road cross कर रहे हैं. This is something I have never done before, so this is completely out of my comfort zone.
Hello there.
I cannot get in that. Now here peak traffic. कभी कभी लोग पागल ही हो जाते हैं. See, you might have good technique to do all this dhoom machale, but you need power to overtake. That is Java Roadster, if I am not wrong, which most of the time I am, and UP. roof. It's a big rock I have to avoid. Oh, people usually stop here to pee. Now see this road right here. This entire area feels so posh. Oh, the roads aren't very posh, but see, this and all you would not see happening in main road. See, maintenances are going on. Sorry. This was the place I wanted to show you guys, but not very, like, you know, I've seen like 10 well fires just in a span of 10 minutes here. That's all that I had for you guys today. We will keep talking, we'll see. I just hope today I am able to make some video